May God continue to guard us, keep us, and guide us. We do nothing without His grace, without His anointment. And so I stand here purely by the grace of God. You know, there is a song by a famous rapper, and the song says, many men
wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be
You know it. Notice how I'm just very calm. But no weapon. People wonder why is it that I don't respond with all the lies and the darts that they throw at me. I don't respond. Because, you know, one of my favorite characters in terms of their life story is Muhammad Ali, Cassius Clay. And you know, Muhammad Ali, he had a style called the rope-a-dope. You know, so the boxers were tackling him. They just throw a punch on him, and he would just... And then eventually, the devastating blow from him knocked them out. So don't worry. The 3rd of September is coming.